Good morning, students. Welcome to class 2. In our previous lecture, we have started with the topic of oxidation reduction chemistry. In that, we have seen the definition of the term oxidation, reduction, oxidation number, rules to calculate oxidation number. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss about oxidizing agent, reducing agent. That is, we are going to identify the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Then we are also going to discuss about the balancing of redox reaction using ion electron method. So let's get started. So students, we know that an oxidizing agent or oxidant accepts the electrons and increases the oxidation number of other substance in a chemical reaction. The oxidation number of an oxidant decreases during the process. That is, we can say that oxidant is a substance that accepts electrons and thereby undergoes decrease in oxidation number. On the other hand, reducing agent or reductant donates electrons and decreases the oxidation number of other substance in a chemical reaction. The oxidation number of reductant increases during the process. So students, we can say that reducing agent or reductant is a substance that donates electrons and thereby undergoes increase in oxidation number. Now, we need to identify the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So consider the following equation. Over here, Zn plus Fe2 plus will give you Zn2 plus Fe. Since Zn is an elemental state, its oxidation number is 0. Similarly, Fe is in ionic form, so we can write down as plus 2 oxidation number. Zinc as plus 2 and Fe as 0 oxidation number. Over here, oxidation number of zinc increases from 0 to plus 2 and that of iron decreases from plus 2 to 0. So we can say that increase in oxidation number is oxidation and decrease in oxidation number is reduction. Here, Zn undergoes oxidation. Therefore, it is reducing agent. And we know that reducing agent generally undergoes oxidation. On the other hand, Fe2 plus undergoes reduction. Therefore, it is an oxidizing agent. And we know that oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. Next is Fe2 plus Ce4 plus gives you Fe3 plus Ce3 plus. As we know that oxidation number of monoatomic ion is equal to its charges. So over here oxidation number of Fe2 plus is plus 2. That of Ce is plus 4. That of Fe is plus 3. And that of Ce is plus 3. Here, oxidation number of Fe increases from plus 2 to plus 3 and that of Ce decreases from plus 4 to plus 3. Therefore, we can say that increase in oxidation number, that is oxidation, and decrease in oxidation number, that is reduction. Here, Fe undergoes oxidation, therefore it is reducing agent, and Ce undergoes reduction, therefore it is oxidizing agent. Next is Fe2O3 plus twice of Al gives you Al2O3 plus twice of Fe. So we need to calculate oxidation number of Fe. So let us calculate the oxidation number of Fe. So Fe2O3, we know that X and minus 2. On substituting the values, we get 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is equals to 0. So 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 by 2. So x is equals to plus 3. Let us calculate for aluminium. Al2O3. So x and minus 2. So on substituting the values, we get 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is equals to 0. 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 divided by 2. X is equals to plus 3. Now, oxidation number of Fe in Fe2O3 is plus 3. Al is in free state, so its oxidation number is 0. Al in Al2O3 is plus 3 and Fe is 0. So we can say that oxidation number of Fe decreases from plus 3 to 0 and that of Al increases from 0 to plus 3. So over here we can write down decrease in oxidation number, that is reduction, and increase in oxidation number, that is oxidation. Over here, Fe undergoes reduction. Therefore, Fe2O3 is oxidizing agent and Al undergoes oxidation. Therefore, it is reducing agent. Next is CH4 plus 4 moles of Cl2 gives you CCl4 plus 4 moles of HCl. So let us calculate the oxidation number of carbon in CH4. So carbon has X and hydrogen is plus 1. X plus 4 into 1 is equals to 0. X plus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 4. In case of CCl4, carbon X plus 4 into minus 1 is equals to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to plus 4. In case of HCl, H is plus 1, chlorine is minus 1. So, oxidation number of carbon in CH4 is minus 4 and that of carbon in CCl4 is plus 4, which indicates there is increase in oxidation number from minus 4 to plus 4. Over here chlorine is in free state, therefore 0 oxidation number, and over here chlorine in HCl is minus 1, which indicates decrease in oxidation number. So students, over here we can write down as increase in oxidation number, that is oxidation, and decrease in oxidation number, that is reduction. Over here carbon undergoes oxidation, therefore CH4 is reducing agent while chlorine is oxidizing agent. Next is balancing of equations of redox reactions. Students, many redox reactions are so complex that their equations cannot be easily balanced by trial and error method. So, a systematic method is needed for balancing of such equations. Consider few methods. First is ion electron method, that is half reaction method, and second is oxidation number method. So students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about ion electron method, that is half reaction method. Consider following steps for balancing redox reaction using ion electron method. It involves following steps. First step is assign oxidation number and write separate equation for oxidation and reduction. Second step is balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Third step is balance oxygen atom by adding appropriate number of water molecule to opposite side. Fourth step is balance hydrogen atom by adding H plus ions to the opposite side. Fifth step is check total charges and make it equal balance electron loss and electron gain. Sixth step, add two half reactions and convert the ionic equation back to molecular form. So all these above steps are included for balancing redox reactions by ion electron method for acidic medium. In case of basic medium, add equal number of hydroxide ions on both sides to cancel H+ ions. So let us see one example of balancing redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. So over here we have the equation Mn2 plus ClO3 minus will give you MnO2 plus ClO2. According to the rules, the first step is to assign oxidation number. So over here the oxidation number of Mn is +2. We need to calculate for Mn in MnO2. So Mn is X, oxygen is -2. X plus 2 into -2 is equals to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to +4. So we have to write down Mn +4 oxidation number. Similarly, we need to find out for Cl in ClO3 minus. So Cl is X, oxygen is -2. X plus 3 into -2 is equals to -1. X minus 6 is equals to -1. X is equals to 6 minus 1. X is equals to +5. That is +5. In case of Cl in ClO2, Xn -2. X plus 2 into -2 is equals to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to +4. That is the oxidation number of Cl in ClO2. So over here we can see that there is increase in oxidation number from +2 to +4, and there is decrease in oxidation number from +5 to +4. So increase in oxidation number, that is oxidation, and decrease in oxidation number, that is reduction. So students, according to the rules, first rule was to assign oxidation number, which is over, and write separate equation for oxidation and reduction. So first step is to write separate equation for oxidation and reduction. So as we can see over here, Mn2 plus will give you MnO2, that is oxidation, and ClO3 minus will give you ClO2, that is reduction. This is your first step. The second step is balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So over here, atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen, that is Mn and chlorine, are balanced. So we can directly write down atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen are balanced. Third rule states that balance oxygen atom by adding appropriate number of water molecule to opposite side. So over here, Mn2 plus will give you MnO2, which is oxidation. So there are two atoms of oxygen on right hand side. So we have to add 2 moles of water on the opposite side, 2H2O. In case of ClO3 minus, there are 3 atoms of oxygen on LHS and 2 atoms of oxygen on right hand side, which is reduction. So we have to add 1 mole of water on right hand side to balance the oxygen atom. Fourth rule states that balance hydrogen atom by adding H+ ions to the opposite side. So over here, Mn2 plus 2H2O will give you MnO2, that is oxidation. So we have to add 4 H+ ions because there are 2 water molecules on left hand side. In this case, ClO3 minus will give you ClO2 plus H2O, that is reduction. There are 2 hydrogen atoms on right hand side, so we have to add 2 H+ ions on left hand side. Fifth step is we have to check total charges and make it equal, that is balance electron loss and electron gain. So over here, Mn2 plus 2H2O. That is, there are plus 2 charges on left hand side and there are plus 4 charges on right hand side. So we have to add 2 electrons to make the charges equal. That is oxidation. In case of ClO3 minus, there is one negative charge and 2 positive charge on left hand side. And on right hand side there is absolutely no charge. So in order to neutralize the charge, we have to add 1 electron on left hand side. Sixth step states that add to half reaction and convert the ionic equation back to molecular form. So Mn2 plus 2H2O will give you MnO2 plus 4H plus 2 electrons. So we have to multiply with suitable integer so that we can cancel out the electrons. So ClO3 minus plus 2H plus electron will give you ClO2 plus H2O. So we have to multiply this equation by suitable integer, multiply by 2. So we get the equation as twice of ClO3 minus 4H plus 2 electrons, 2 ClO2 and 2 H2O. So let us write down the overall equation. Mn2 plus 2 H2O gives you MnO2 plus 4H plus 2 electrons. That is oxidation. And ClO3 minus, that is twice ClO3 minus plus 4H plus 2 electrons will give you twice of ClO2 plus twice of H2O. That is reduction. Now let us cancel out 2 electrons, 4H plus ions, 2H2O, 2H2O. So overall equation we get as Mn2 plus 2 ClO3 minus will give you MnO2 plus 2 ClO2. This is in acidic medium. So students, in our today's lecture, we have discussed about oxidizing agent and reducing agent. We have seen how to find out or how to identify oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Similarly, we have also seen balancing of redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. So students, in our next lecture, we shall see the balancing of redox reaction by oxidation number method. Till then, take care.